This smooth text animation is going viral. Now let me show you how to do it in DaVinci Resolve. So the first thing you do is you open your DaVinci Resolve, you come to new project and you name your project. Let's name this project smooth animation. So after naming your project, you just hit create. Now the DaVinci Resolve panel opens. Come to the edit panel. After, you go to the effects and you go to the search bar of the effects and then you search fusion composition. Excuse me, I didn't spell that right. Let me spell it again. So fusion composition. After, you go to that drop down icon and you make sure you pick all folders. So that fusion composition is going to show and you drag it to your timeline just like this. After, you come to your fusion page, and in your fusion page you hit shift plus the space bar and this pop-up is going to show and you search for text. So after the text comes, you just search and click add. Now you connect the input to the media out input, and on that text layer, the text selected, you just type the text that you want to type. So in this case, I'll type smooth animation. Now you have the chance to change the font, the color and anything, but let's just leave it like this for time being. Now after, you right click and then you come and choose follower. After choosing follower, you come to modifiers, you come to shading, you scroll down where you see opacity, you click on the diamond icon right there. You come down where you see position, the Y, you click the diamond icon right there as well. Now you go back to the follower and this time you come to the shading, and on the shading you drag it to 0. Now you scroll down to the position again where the Y is, and on the Y value you hit minus 0.3. Now you come to your timeline and you bring your playhead around the 10th position. So you drag it to the 10th position. So just like this, you drag it to the 10th position and you come back, and then with your Y layer, you take it back to 0. So you hit 0.00 and you see a diamond icon show red, meaning you've created a keyframe. With opacity, you drag it back to 100. So let's look at what we've created. If we hit our playhead, it goes up and comes, it goes down and comes up. Exactly. Now the next thing we are going to do is we are going to come to timing. We are going to come down where you see order. We are going to change the order from left to right. And the delay, we are going to set the delay to 2. After, we just hit our playhead and look at what happens. So now you see the text animation comes one by one. Now the next thing we are going to do is we are going to smoothen out that animation. So we come to spline, we click the checkbox for the text, and we are going to hit that open thing to open the entire keyframe. Now we hit Ctrl A to select the keyframe and hit Ctrl S to smoothen it out, or you can come right click and come to ease and choose out cubic. And the next thing we do is we come to our edit page and let's see our animation in play. So we click it and you can see that smooth animation. Now let me show you how you can save this animation to use in your future projects. So to save this animation, what you do is you come up to your media pool, and in your media pool you come to the 3 dot icon and you make sure your show power bins is clicked, right? So make sure your show power bins is checked, just like that. So you come to the power bins, you click on the master, and after clicking on it, you just drag your created text animation into the power bin. And anytime you open DaVinci Resolve, your text animation is going to be there for you to use as a preset. Thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe. Peace, and I'm out.